Good evening, guys. Today we will be talking about the new opportunity that is coming for the legal empanelment for the advocates and law firms. The new opportunity coming up in Strategic India, and the most important date is 1st April 2021 for calculating of the eligibility criteria. If we talk about the essential qualification, the advocate should be a registered advocate under Bar Council of India, must have a certificate of practice. Advocate should have at least 7 years post qualification experience. The advocate should be undoubtedly a legal economy and unblemished of integrity, and has not been removed from any law firm, company, or institution, nor should have been subject to any disciplinary proceeding under any law in force. The advocate and firm should have a proper advocate infrastructure such as office premises, assistant, clerks, staff, etc. Empanelment of advocate will be made for the jurisdiction of the court in which he is practicing. The maximum age for the empanelment should not be more than of 60 years. In a partnership firm or the limited, all partners should comply with the eligibility criteria. Doc- The desirable qualification would be here, and it would be an undergraduate degree from any national university, law university of India, independent and effective practice at bar attaining to matter related to corporates, knowledge of consumer protection laws and to money circulation schemes, etc. Document that would be requiring for an advocate, it will be a law degree certificate, registration with State Bar Council, renewal of practice certificate, identity card issued by the State Bar Council, copy of empanelment if he has any with any organization, certificate from local bar association for practicing in court, PAN card copy, and the most important is the income tax returns copy for last 3 years. In case of the firm, the document evidencing the constitution of a firm, affidavit from the advocate stating he has or she has not been removed from the panel of any organization, undertaking from the advocate to the effect that all information furnished is correct, name and citation of the cases where the advocate has appeared in last 5 financial years. There are same document that similarly that is being required for a law firm. Apart from the document that is required is document evidencing the constitution of the firm, following document for at least two partners or senior members of the law. What is the application process? If we talk about, advocate need to send the application to this email ID info@strategyindia.com with the subject line application for LD-IND1. Cover letter should contain the state where the advocate or a law firm practice. The shortlisted advocate will be called for the online interview process. If we now talk about what will be the tenure, the initial empanelment will be for 1 year. After that, there will be a performance or reviewed on an annual basis. If the person has satisfactorily performed by the advocate, the empanelment may be renewed for another period of 3 years. Same as all the empanelment has, they reserve the right to terminate empanelment of any advocate or law firm at any time without assigning any reason with a notice period of 1 month. Okay, the most promising that is for this empanelment is the fee structure. If we talk about fees for retainership for an individual advocate is ranging from INR 40,000 to 90,000 plus GST per month. For law firm, it is 70,000 to 1,50,000 GST per month. Work-based remuneration as may be mutually decided between the companies. And what will be the important date or the last date for applying to this empanelment is 30th June and 2021. So guys, please immediately go fill your eligibility criteria and fill this uh, send your application for this empanelment.